Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're about to do a Stanley unboxing, y'all. I'm about to unbox the two Stanleys that I picked up from Stanley and Love Shack Fancy release. Bruh. So first of all, it's gonna be a couple of things I need to address. I'm opening this and see, I'm showing somebody else. I'm not showing y'all, but I'm showing y'all at the same time I'm filming. Like I could only open it one time. So this the one time I'm opening it and showing y'all all at the same time. The second thing is this coffee stain on my shirt. That just irks my nerve. Ain't nothing I can do about it. But it is what it is. But yeah. So anyway, we opening up the pink one. We starting with the pink. I'm gonna struggle with this box for a minute because girl, I don't know why. Because I be struggling with boxes sometimes. And I'm like, let me turn on some light up in here. Maybe that'll help me see how to open this box, and it don't. Girl, get it together. Anyway, I was so excited for this release just because, for one, I love pretty girls. It just is what it is. At this point, we just gonna admit to what our problems and issues and what our love languages is, and I just love cute things. And I think I deserve cute things. I be hearing some women, I be hearing the girlies say that they be buying things for adrenaline rushes. I don't think that's the reason for me though. I don't think it's an adrenaline rush. It's the fact that I have the thing. So every time I look at it, it's so cute. And I never stop saying it's so cute. Y'all, look at this cup in this pink dust bag. The straw with the pink bow topper. Girl, how you gonna say that this ain't just adorable? Like that's adorable. I don't know what else to say besides it's adorable. I feel as if I don't know. It could be a girl thing. It just is what it is because at one point in life I used to think all girls was this way. I soon found out as an adult. Like, no, it's just some girls. So I'm definitely a part of the girls that like cute things. I don't know how to explain it. But you know how like I also feel like a lot of people just because I like cute things, it can come off to somebody who don't they put me in a category like a materialistic category. I don't think that's a little bit too far on the spectrum, but yeah, whatever. I don't know how to explain it, child. But look, y'all, this cup has gold hardware. Gold. This is gorgeous. And it says Stanley Love Shack Fancy in the gold lettering, the bow topper, girl. So yeah, the pink is definitely gorgeous. And now I'm about to get the purple. And of course, I show y'all what it looks like, what she looking like. Y'all, they had put a ribbon around the boxes, and that's adorable. Everything about this was adorable. The packaging was adorable. The ribbon around the packaging was adorable. The dust bag that a cup, girl, it's a cup with a dust bag. You know, like it's girl. It don't get no better than that. It don't get no better than that, girl. Crown Royal ain't got none on Stanley. Okay, but yeah. So this is the purple, and in the purple I did pick up, as you'll see me struggling. The pink one that I picked up, you already seen that is a 40. That was the 40 ounce, and in the pink, and then in the purple, as you see me opening it, it did come with a pink dust bag as well. So the dust bag didn't change color with the color of the thingamajiggas. But yeah, the purple I did pick up in a 20 ounce. And looking back, if they re-release, if they redo a release of this, I would get another 20 ounce. I should have just got two 20 ounces instead of a 40. But yeah, look at this purple 20 ounce Stanley. The florals on this is gorgeous. That gold popping off on that is gorgeous. That handle on the 20-ounce cup, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then the bow topper on the straw, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like there's nothing else to say except for it's gorgeous. Like you gotta know that it's gorgeous. This is cute. This is why we buy the things, girl. This is gorgeous. This is cute. This is why we buy the team. Yeah, I definitely showing the pink again because girl is just so dang cute. So yeah, that's what I picked up from the Stanley Love Shack Fancy release. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all just so y'all can see that was other cups. Y'all know you cannot, girl. I mean, you can. I cannot buy everything that is released, but those were the two that I picked that was top on my list. Yeah, girl, just gorgeous. These boxes are gorgeous. It's definitely a thing. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get like one or two more Stanleys. Y'all look at them boxes and up there. Like they gorgeous. Like just the boxes is gorgeous. You can have the boxes and the boxes speak for themselves. Like, yeah. Just looking at those boxes I definitely do it for me. It's like yeah. And then here's a close up of little Miss Piggy, y'all, with the florals. This makes my heart melt and melt again. I don't know what I don't know. I don't know. That's just what it do. That's just how it make me feel. It is the cutest thing in the world. And of course, I would have to get a pink cup, and then we have the purple. Oh my god, this is adorable. But yeah, y'all, that's my Stanley haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all picked up something from Love Shack Fancy and Stanley, comment it down below. And if not, tell me which one of mine did you like the best. And y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Bye, y'all.